Hey guys, Derek Best, IHLS Australia. Today's a special day. It's a very special day. I've got with me Rylan Cannell, who's a second generation client. His father, Sean Cannell, has been our client since March 2014. And the pictures that you just seen on the screen are just there were Rylan's results. Rylan started with us in January 2023, so he's just new. And I'll just let him explain how his experience has been with IHLS Australia. He bought our Sexy Back program. Rylan, welcome.
Thank you, Derek.
Um, how's it been here at IHLS for you?
Oh, it's been very welcoming, really professional, and it's just made me feel really comfortable with the whole process. The staff are amazing, really friendly, and just talk you through everything, how it works, and it certainly has proven to work, as you can see from the photos.
They're fantastic, and that's only early stages.
Yes, I've only been doing it for a few months.
Is the routine hard?
No, very seamless and easy, and there's amazing results really quickly. So I'm really happy with the treatment.
Listen, no, everyone that's sort of out there watching this is skeptical. They don't really believe that it works. Were you skeptical?
Yeah, of course. Anything to do with your appearance, obviously people are generally going to be a bit concerned about it and how it's going to pan out, and is it going to be worth the time? But now all those feelings have just disappeared just because of the results that have already come to be. Yeah.
Is the treatment painful?
Not in the slightest, not one bit.
So again, your dad's been a fantastic client of ours since 2013. Thank you, Sean, for the referral, by the way. So, did you notice much about his journey? What was that like?
Yeah, so obviously that was almost 10 years ago now. Back then I didn't feel like I was going through any hair loss. It was only in the last few years, 3-4 years, where I started to notice something. So I didn't really pay too much attention to it, but he had nothing but great things to say about the place. And I said, well, as a joke, when I do end up going through it, because I got your genetics, that I'll probably end up going there. And funnily enough, here I am. But yeah, I didn't notice anything at the time, but now that because if you're not going through it, then you don't really pay attention to it. But now, when I was starting to go through it, then I really asked him some questions, and really he showed me his progress, and I was really pleased with it and was not hesitant to come here. So
fantastic. What would you say to someone that's out there watching this if they were wanting to regrow their hair?
Simple. Come to this place. Come to Innovative Hair Loss Solutions. You'll be happy with the results, and you'll be happy with how it happens. So definitely come here.
So you definitely recommend IHLS Australia?
110%. Yeah.
Excellent. So what does it mean to you coming to IHLS Australia? What's it done for you?
Well, massive confidence boost. I did start early, so what I do recommend is that if you are going through hair loss or you're suspecting it, Derek famously said to me, denial is the first phase, and it is so
Doesn't
true.
sound like me.
Yeah, but it's so true, and that's what I needed to hear. And I'm like, yep, if I'm denying something, then it's probably happening. Do it sooner rather than later. And if you do want to go through it, just come here. You won't be disappointed. But yeah, it's because I've seen amazing results, as we've seen already. It's done amazing things for my confidence, so it's improved my work, where I'm standing in front of people pretty much most of my day and talking, and when you're facing away from them, it's something I don't think about anymore.
Did you used to wear a hat?
No, I mean I would when I could. I would definitely favour a hat. It may obviously for the sun, but if it was to cover up my hair, then it would be, or I'd be reluctant to take photos and things like that, especially if I didn't have control over the angles. So I thought, I don't want to be thinking about this anymore, and that's why, that's another thing, a turning point that kind of pushed me here as well.
Awesome. So
massive confidence booster, and that obviously improves other areas of your life as well.
Thank you very much, Rylan.
Thank you very much, Derek.
Appreciate it, mate.
Cheers. Thank you.
Anyone looking to regrow the hair that they've lost in the last 7 to 10 years, they want to take that hat off, please give us a call, 1300 557 224, or you can go to our website, which is ihlsau.com.au. Have a great day.